The simplicity of Nankhatai makes this dish extra special. The magic is in the ratio of ingredients to get the perfect taste and texture. Look at the crispy texture and gorgeous color of these cookies. Nankhatai is an all-time favorite in my family. Making it gluten-free is a triumph. Jowar Nankhatai has a crispy exterior and a melt-in-your-mouth texture. Let's make it together on Glutensure. Before we begin, I want to thank all of you for the likes, comments, and shares on the channel. Please keep them coming. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Please check the link in the description for all the measurements. You can substitute cornstarch for tapioca flour. Pistachios are completely optional for topping. Now, in a mixing bowl, add softened butter. You can microwave it for 5 to 10 seconds if you're just taking it out of the refrigerator to soften the butter. Whisk it and add 3/4 cup sugar in batches. Make sure one batch of sugar is completely mixed in before adding more. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. You can also use a hand blender. Mix well and set aside. In another bowl, sieve together 1 cup sorghum flour, 1/4 cup tapioca flour, 1/4 cup rice flour, 1/3 cup besan, half teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Break down lumps and discard any impurities. After sieving, mix together the dry mixture with a spoon and add 1 teaspoon guar gum. Now it's time to add our butter sugar mixture gradually into the dry mixture. I'm using my hands to press the flour mixture together with the butter and sugar so that it gets mixed in properly. Add 1 teaspoon cardamom powder. Continue mixing. This will take about 4 to 6 minutes. Take your time to make sure these are incorporated well. As the dough starts getting moist, bring the flour together. Once all the butter sugar mixture is mixed in well, add in 1 tablespoon milk. The moisture helps bring the dough together. You can also use 1 tablespoon oil instead to bring the dough together. The dough comes together into a firm ball and it is ready to be shaped. Line a baking tray with parchment paper. Apply some ghee onto your hands and also on a tablespoon measure or a spoon that you will use to scoop out the dough. Scoop the dough and shape into a ball and place on the tray. Continue this process for all of the dough. Now, using a butter knife, make 2 cuts on the cookies for the signature Nankhatai look. You can also use a fork to just make some holes on the top. This helps let out the hot air as these cookies cook. I'm adding pistachios to some of them for that extra glamorous touch. Bake the cookies in the oven, preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 17 minutes or until the top turns slightly golden. Turn off the oven and take out the cookies. Place the tray on a wire rack to cool completely. Now you have a gorgeous and deliciously crisp batch of Nankhatai that you can enjoy for many days. Store it in an airtight container and serve with chai or a nice cup of coffee. You can enjoy Nankhatai any time of the day. Please share this recipe with your loved ones and help me grow my channel. I'm sure Jowar Nankhatai will become your all-time family favorite as well. Please let me know in the comments below how the recipe turned out. And once again, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.